Good day, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, speaker, and aspiring leaders. Welcome to today's webinar, where we gather as a community of dedicated students, scholars, and future public servants, all united by a common goal to empower tomorrow's leader in the field of local government and regional administration in our country. Our team, Empowering Tomorrow's Leaders, Navigating Local Government and Regional Administration in the Philippines, speaks directly to the heart of our collective mission. As a student of public administration, you are not only preparing for careers, but also for the profound responsibility of shaping our nation's future. In this era of rapid change and unprecedented challenges, effective local governance is more important than ever. From enhancing public service delivery to fostering inclusive development, the rules and responsibilities that you will assume are both significant and impactful. Today's webinar is an opportunity for us to deeply into the intricacies of local government and regional administration. It's a chance to learn from experts, share experiences, and explore innovative approaches to the challenges we face. But more importantly, it is a space for inspiration, a space where we can envision the future we want to create and chart the paths to achieve it. As we navigate through today's sessions, let us remember that leadership is not just about holding position of power. It is about being agents of change, about listening and responding to the needs of our communities, and about working collaboratively to build resilient and thriving localities. Your commitment to your studies and to the principles of good governance will serve as the foundation for your future endeavors. The knowledge you gain, the networks you build, and the insights you glean will all play a pivotal role in your journey. I encourage you all to engage actively, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Each of you brings a unique perspectives that can enrich our collective understanding and spark meaningful dialogue. Again, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our speaker and organizers for your dedication and effort in making this webinar possible. To our students, thank you for your unwavering commitment to public service. Together, we are not just learning about governance, we are shaping the future of our communities and our nation. Let's make the most of today's opportunities to learn, connect, and inspire each other. Here's to empowering tomorrow's leader in navigating the path to a brighter future for local government and regional administrations in our country. Thank you, and let's have a productive and inspiring session ahead. God bless everyone.